Hey everyone, I'm back with G, H, and I, and these are the last three, and they are the bundles with the sari fabric. So let's look at G first. And on G, Safya has asked $35. And you're getting the bigger pieces, beautiful gold ribbon. A bag of little tassels and dangles and beads and just all kinds of gorgeousness that will look fantastic on a boho journal. This I absolutely love. Absolutely love this. Can you just see that on the spine of a boho journal? All of this is from India. Then you have a yard of this gorgeous gold ribbon trim. Sorry, it's taking me a while. And you have a yard of this beautiful crocheted trim. Stunning. And the fillet is so soft. Then you have a yard of this smaller, beautiful, soft trim. And in here she has this piece. I love this. This will be amazing on the cover of a sunflower journal. Downside of it, gorgeous. Then you have this large piece here. This feels like velvet, like crushed velvet on it. This is a long piece. One side of it is clear, but it has silver threads going through it, and it's a lighter shade of the former one, but it also has a different style of flowers on it. Gorgeous. Make it awesome in a floral journal. Now you have this piece. It's gorgeous. It's orange and gold and blue and like a coffee sheer background. Absolutely beautiful. And it just shines. Then you have this black crushed velvet piece. And there's so many pieces here that you can cut out. Just cut the squares out around them, or a rectangle around them, however you want them. But they are simply stunning and very shiny. They would bring any floral or daisy or botanical journal just to life. This piece I am in love with. This is stunning. Absolutely. Look at all of these. I mean, it goes on and on and on, but look at all of these you can cut out, even if you're a reseller and don't want to use it for a journal. But look at all of this. This is just awesome, amazing. Goes on forever and ever, and it's gorgeous. Get it set over here to the side so I don't mess it up. Then this piece is also a large sheer piece. Beautiful flowers and sparkles, and there's so much you can use this for. I mean, there's so many pieces. You can cut it out, you can resell it in smaller pieces. You can do so much with this. Oh, it's gorgeous. And this piece is just the prize of the kit. I mean, look at this. Isn't that stunning? I mean, it just shimmers and shines. It is stunning. And this is like a navy royal bluish. And if that wasn't enough, you have this super big piece here of this lace, and it's baby soft, just amazing. And this piece is folded 4 times, so that tells you about how big it is. So, this is, what did I say, G? Yes, this one is G, and it's $35. You email me with the number that you want, your YouTube name, your real name, your mailing address, and your PayPal information so I can invoice you. I don't charge invoice fees, guys. I just don't. I mean, I pay the invoice fee myself. And you will pay shipping on everything you order. Okay. GH. H is $25. Hold your breath, because this is stunning. I didn't put the ribbon back on it because I knew I was going to be showing it, but this is a gorgeous ribbon on here. Just gorgeous shiny ribbon. And then you're going to open it up. I call this the bridal dangle because it reminds me of a little bride. I mean, isn't it just awesome? Or you could put little wings behind it, making an angel for your Christmas tree. Oh, I just thought of that. That's gorgeous. Then you have some more of that lace, and it's a lot here. Then you have, this is like a very light green and gold. Look at that. Stunning, and it all sparkles. And then you have the burgundy and gold. Just awesome. And then another green. And there is so much on here, but wouldn't that just be an absolutely beautiful journal cover? Sure would. Then you have this large piece here that has all of this down the side, all of these all throughout it, and then on the very bottom you have this beautiful piece, and it is folded in half, and I have got it stuck on a lace behind it. Don't do that. Anyway, it is beautiful. It is stunning. It's awesome. Next you have this piece in, I want to say this is like a very light greenish yellow maybe. It's just beautiful. Beautiful. It's got gold flecks in the sheer part. It's a very large piece. I mean, even if you just cut it in strips and use it on spines of journals, it is just stunning. And last but definitely not least, you have this large piece. And I'm going to leave it folded in half for the sake of not having to refold it. It has this across the bottom. It has a scalloped edge down here. And all the way up it's just decorated. There's so much you can do with these pieces. So much. And like I said, she wants $25 on this kit. And I don't know, I guess there must be a difference in pieces of flooring, because I don't understand the pricing on them. I've never tried to figure it out. I just go with what she put on it. And the very last one is I. I is $20. So if you just want, never bought Sorry before and just want to own some, here's your kit. Look at this. And then you have the ribbon that I didn't put back on it when I showed it last time. You have this dangle, just so cute. You have this piece. This is in gold and light. It looks like a dusty rose and gold to me. And then you have this piece. And it's soft. It is so soft. And this is like embroidered flowers with gold in it. You have this piece. This is doubled. You have this piece. Look at all of that. This is just stunning. So much you can do with these flowers. And another piece that has a lot of flowers and leaves and vines on it. They're just beautiful, breathtaking. Now you have this one with a big flower on it. And I can picture like a coffee color or a cream color underneath this to put on the front of a journal. And then this piece. I love this little ring up here. And then you have another piece like that. And another piece like that. And they're different sizes actually. And this amazing, stunning gold. It just sparkles. And I don't know if you can see the little designs and the little floral and the little circles in it. This is stunning. And then you have this piece. Be awesome for a traveler's notebook cover. If anybody's making Christmas journals, y'all need these golds. And you have a big piece, like all these little pieces. It is just shining everywhere. I don't know if the camera's getting that. You see all that shine and shimmering on there? It is beautiful. Now you have another piece of that yellowish green. And this is folded in half. And then you have two of these. And they are beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And they would make some awesome journal covers. So this is the $20 bag, and it's the last one I have. So if you're interested, like I said, send me an email. Send me all your information. The email is down below. And it is katscreativekitsfla, F-L-A, at AOL.com. But it's all one word. That's katscreativekitsfla. And I kind of wrote them individually here so you can see. But I'm going to have it in the description below, and it's probably easier just to copy and paste it. So send me an email. Let me know if you're interested in any of these. And I'm probably going to leave these up for a week, and then I'll put them on Etsy. And I'm sorry, but I do have to charge more on Etsy. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And by the way, if you need me to hold it so you don't get your check to the 15th, don't ghost me. Just let me know. You know, hey, I don't get paid till 15th. And if you don't pay for it on the 15th, then I'll put it back up and say, you know, it's back up. I didn't get paid for it. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.